are going to love the 2017 Jeep Patriot. The Jeep Patriot is unmistakably a Jeep. It looks like a cross between a Jeep Liberty and Jeep Compass, or maybe a 3/4 scale version of the big Jeep Commander. The Patriot has plenty of room inside for any size family. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, electronic stability control, CD player, rear window defroster, fog lights, heated front seats, tachometer, panic alarm, brake assist, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, rear window wiper. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.